I'll read this quick paragraph. It says, "This is a training for the working brothers and sisters. When I was seeking before the Lord on your behalf, I felt that if the working brothers and sisters were to adequately and properly..."
Hi! Ito kami ngayon sa Aya Loop Trail. It is more than 4 miles of trail walking and usually takes around 2 to 4 hours of trail. Depende siguro sa pace mo.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Hi Dayan.
Welcome to Aya. Tara na!
Hi guys. Yan, ganyan kayo. Wow! Parang kang pumapasok sa enchanted.
Welcome to my kaharian.
Pagod ka na ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi ko alam kung tama ba itong ginawa namin. Wow!
Wow!
Bagyo kami dito guys. Di lang kita kasi maulan. Grabe, isang ulan guys. Wala?
Wala!
Bakit? Basta na kami guys. May resibo na ako. Lalaki ng mga troso dito guys. Oh, lalaki oh. Lalaki ng mga trunk. Ten minutes to 10 a.m. Actually started around 7. It's already raining around that time when we started. Right now, we are almost finished. We're just going to the parking. Later, I'll check in Strava how many steps yung nakuha ko, ilang miles, and yung elevation. It's fun.